ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Hello there, friends. Welcome to my ice cream shop. Today I am serving our customers some delicious ice cream, and my assistant Bingo is going to help me. Yep. Well, looks like our first customer is here. Hello, Indy. Welcome to my ice cream shop. What can I get you today? We have lots of different flavors of ice cream to choose from. Hi, Bluey. I'll have 2 scoops of ice cream in a cone, please. Sure thing. What flavors? I want it to be strawberry and chocolate. Any toppings? Ooh, sprinkles. You got it. Bingo, let's get to work. I'm on it. I have all the dough that we need to make her order. And I have here the cone. Okay, we have everything that we need. For our chocolate ice cream, we are going to need a scoop of brown dough. We're gonna put that in the cone. Ta-da! And then for the strawberry ice cream, we're going to need a scoop of pink dough. And that will go on top of the chocolate scoop. And these clays are for the sprinkles. Perfect! So what we need to do is to just roll this up into a thin line of dough. And then we're gonna cut these up into tiny pieces. These are gonna be our sprinkles, and those will all go on top of the ice cream. Here you go, Indy. Here's your order. Yum! Thank you. Bluey, can I have a banana split sundae, please? Sure thing, Muffin. What ice cream would you like to be in it? Ooh, cherry ice cream. Here's everything that we need for that. Thanks, Bingo. All right, let's get our yellow dough. We're gonna roll it up. Needs to be long. That way we can make our banana from this banana mold. Here it is. That's perfect. Then we're going to scoop red dough for our cherry ice cream. We're gonna put that in our bowl. One more and one last scoop. We're gonna go ahead and put the banana on the side. Muffin, I figure you'd like some whipped cream on top? You know it, I do. Whipped cream coming up. Here we go. Banana split sundae with cherry ice cream and whipped cream on top. Ooh, this is kind of big. How are you gonna finish all of this, Muffin? I won't. I'm gonna share it with my mom and dad. Ah, perfect. Thanks, Bingo. Thanks, Bluey. Oh, look, speaking of mom and dad, look who's here. It's mom and dad. Hey there, kiddos. Ooh, nice ice cream shop. Thank you. What can I get for you today, mom and dad? Well, your mom and I are going to share a cup of ice cream. I want mint chocolate ice cream in it, and I want blueberry ice cream. Got it. Any toppings? Ooh, fruit toppings will be great. Okay. Let me go get everything we need. Here's the cup, all the dough, and we're going to need some molds for our fruits. For our mint ice cream, we are going to use our green dough. Then we're gonna get little round brown dough to put all over the mint ice cream. These are going to be our chocolate. We'll get another scoop and put chocolate all over. Perfect. And then we're gonna do purple dough for our blueberry flavor. 1 and 2 scoops. Next, time for some toppings. We're gonna put some cherries on there. 1, 2. We're also gonna do strawberries. and orange. Do-do-do-do. There we go. Here you go, lovebirds. Ah, nothing says romance than a cup full of ice cream. All right, carry along, go on with your date. Thanks, kiddos. We're gonna go sit in the park and enjoy it together. See you kids at home. Bingo, you were an awesome assistant today. Thanks. But now I'm tired. I think it's time to close the shop and go home and get some rest. Good idea. Let's put this sign inside. Let's close up the window. Time to go home. See you tomorrow.